Good day. I hope you are all doing good. And today, in this short video, I will tell you that we manufacture of dog products also, like harness, leash, dog toys, and we export to global UK, America, Germany, and mostly we export to UK dog association products. If you have any question and anything, you can comment me. Please make the video on dog products like dog leash, dog harness, dog belt. And after you see my quality, after sampling, you can see our quality. You can give the order in bulk. You can visit my